Hello everyone on YouTube, Spark here, and in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make a dash system for your Roblox game. I'm gonna code it in a simple manner so that you guys can easily understand this. So let's get right into it. So first of all, here I've added user input service, stored it in a variable named UIS. This basically allows us to detect any type of input. So if I press G on my keyboard, it'll detect it, or if I press left mouse button, it'll detect that as well. So this event detects any input I press. Here we have two arguments, input and is typing. Input is of course the key that I press, and is typing is here. So whenever I'm sending a message in Roblox, and let's say I press Q, right? So Q is the dash key. I'm gonna be typing a text message and I don't want my character to dash. So basically, if I press Q at any point while typing out my message, this is typing argument will be true, and if this is true, then the code below will not run. This is to prevent the dash from going off if I am typing and I press Q. Okay, so here I've created the I've created a linear velocity and stored it in the humanoid root part of our character. So linear velocity is basically what will make our character go dash in the direction we want, and I've also created an attachment. So linear velocity needs an attachment, without it it won't work. So that's why it's here. We can change what the velocity is relative to, but since we want the velocity to stay relative to our character, I've put it relative to attachment 0. And here we have attachment.world position. This basically makes it so that the velocity is applied from the center of mass of our character's humanoid root part. So it's applied equally throughout. We won't notice any flinging or anything like that. And now we're going to set the direction of the dash according to which key we just pressed. Okay, so here I've set the direction. So if I press Q and I'm holding W, it will go forward. If I'm holding B, then right, A, then left, and if I'm holding S or I'm not holding anything at all, I just press Q, it will go backwards. Okay, so now we're also going to be needing some animations for the different dashes. Okay, so here I have a dummy with some dash animations. So I'm just going to export these. So here's forward dash. Copy the ID. Go in replicated storage. Go in animations. Create a folder named dashes. Add an animation there. Paste the ID in. And do the same for the rest of your animations. Okay, so I have all my dashes in this folder right here. So now we're going to define that folder. Now here we're going to put the directory of your dash. Okay, so once that's done, now we're gonna make the animations play. So now our character will play the dash animations which it's supposed to play. Now we're also gonna need to stop our code, so yield our code until the animation has finished running. Now that that's done, we can just delete the velocity as well as the attachment. Now let's test it out. As you can see, with the forward dash, side dash, left dash, back dash, forward dash again. So great, it works. Now the only thing it's lacking is a cooldown, so let's add that. So this code will only run if dash cooldown is false, and this here is the amount of time you want it to wait before the cooldown becomes false again. So here it's 3 seconds. You can increase or decrease this as you want. Let's test it out. Okay, I'm pressing side dash. It's not working because it's on a cooldown. Great, so the cooldown works as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and learned something. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe and leave your ideas in the comment section below. And I'll see you all in the next one.